Hey, welcome to this edition of the Rugged Rundown, and once again I've got this Ruggon Sol 7 tablet that they sent us in to do videos on, and I wanted to introduce it to you. I did with a quick overview. So now we're going to talk about some of the top features after we've taken a look at this tablet to see what we like most about it. And the first thing that stands out in this tablet is the screen. The screen is a 12-inch screen, which kind of makes this a little heavier at 3.3 pounds, but you have a nice 2160 by 1440 resolution on this screen, and it's daylight readable at 1000 nit, which is right in the same class tablet of all of its competition. That daylight readability, very important. You also get glove touch and Gorilla Glass on this unit. So it can be raining and you can still use the touch screen. You can have your glove on and still use the touch. I know when you're in those situations of a grimy environment, touchscreen is very important and you may be wearing gloves. That's a nice feature. I showed you a little bit about the hot swappable battery, but of course it does have two batteries and they are hot swappable. So you can remove a battery, put a new battery in, and you're good to go. Now, I will say that in this class, I haven't seen this before, but the batteries will be charged 50% within 50 minutes, which I find that unbelievable on a fast charging unit like this. That's great. If you can get a 50% charge in 50 minutes, you can keep working as you hot swap those batteries in and out. Some other features of this unit include a 2 megapixel webcam in the front right here, and then of course on the back you have, which is better in its class, the 11 megapixel camera on the back with LED flash, so you can take pictures of rooms, people, groups, whatever you need to do with when you're working with the camera. Now it does have some programmable buttons. There's two of them right here. Program them to do whatever you want them to do, open a piece of software, go to a special document, whatever it is that you need to do, that's what you would program. Another thing I like about this unit is the port covers. It's stuff that I haven't seen on other units in its same competition class, but it has a little tab here that you're able to put a screw in to hold the port cover closed. So if you're in a vibrating environment, you won't vibrate these open if you needed to have them closed. Now they do have a nice rubber gasket around it and they seem very robust. However, they are still hinged with plastic. There is no metal hinge on this. But they do click in quite nicely. As you can see, they're the same all the way with the tab for the screw. That is some of the greatest features that I found on this unit. Now here's something a little different, and that would be the stylus. The stylus is actually a metal stylus, and it comes with this little holder that screws to the side of the tablet like this, so that you can just pop it in and out. And of course the stylus is tethered. Those are like some of the great features that are in a nutshell for you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.